Dishwashers do work really well in the Indian kitchen. I have been using and reviewing dishwashers for over 5 years now. So let me walk you through a step-by-step manner to select the right dishwasher for you. I will be covering freestanding dishwashers in this video. That is, the ones that can be placed anywhere. If you need an integrated dishwasher, the shortlisting approach is somewhat similar. I just don't cover that in this video, but I've linked to a few in the description. First thing to do is to select the size of dishwasher you need. It depends on how much space you have and what your budget is. Dishwashers are generally measured in terms of place settings, which determines how many sets of vessels you can put in the dishwasher. Now, one place setting includes everything required for one person for a 3-course meal. So, a dinner plate, a salad plate, a bowl, a cup, glass, saucer, various forks, knives and spoons. So if you have the budget for it, I highly recommend you to go for at least a 14 place setting dishwasher or above, as it reduces the number of times that you have to load a dishwasher. If not, at least consider 12 to 13 place setting, which would come cheaper for a slight reduction in the number of vessels it holds. Only if space is a concern, go for a tabletop dishwasher. 12 to 16 plus place setting dishwashers have almost similar dimensions, about 60 by 60 centimeter in width and depth and 85 centimeters in height. Then how come they have different capacity of holding vessels? This is because of different rack designs. For example, almost all 14 plus place setting dishwashers have an extra cutlery rack, because of which a cutlery basket is not required. This can be also because of better spray arms, which allows for more denser packing of vessels without affecting the wash quality. Now that you have decided what size of dishwasher is right for you, let's discuss some additional criteria that can influence your decision while buying a dishwasher. An extra cutlery rack is useful as it helps us free up space to add more vessels in the main racks of the dishwasher instead of keeping a separate cutlery basket. Only the dishwashers that you see on the screen have an extra cutlery rack. Generally, many 14 place setting dishwashers and all 15 and 16 place setting dishwashers do have an extra cutlery rack. Next is the drying ability. Most dishwashers use regular condensation based drying, which uses residual heat from the wash cycle for drying. Sometimes this can lead to water spots being left behind. To avoid this, some dishwashers from IFB and LG have steam wash and dry, which helps to remove stubborn residue of food on the vessels, and the steam dry, which helps with faster drying and removing of water spots. Some dishwashers also automatically open the door after the wash cycle to let out moisture and allow better air circulation post the wash cycle to avoid water spots. Only the dishwashers you see on the screen have this ability. Many of you have asked about auto-resume ability of dishwashers. That is, does it start at the same point that it stopped when there was a power fluctuation? In general, Voltas, IFB, Bosch and some LG dishwashers do restart where they left off. The common behavior in other brands is that it restarts at the start of the interim step of the cycle where it stopped, not at the beginning, that is not from minute 0. While this behavior is considered a better approach for better cleaning, it can be a nuisance if you stay in areas where power fluctuation is very frequent. Next, smart features like remote monitoring, adjusting settings, firmware updates, and alerts for salt and rinse aid refills are only available in some LG, Bosch, and IFB models that you see on the screen. LG dishwashers also allow you to download or save custom programs using the app. So what about AI features that is so broadly marketed in other large appliances? Some premium models like the IFB Neptune VX16 include AI-powered load sensing that automatically detects and adjusts water, temperature, and cycle time based on how dirty the dishes are. While convenient, it does add to the pricing. So consider it only if it is something that you will use. There are a few common features across all dishwashers. The number of wash programs should not influence your decision making, as many of us use only a handful of cycles. Wash programs generally range between 5 to 11, with common ones like Eco, Auto, Half Load and Quick Wash available in all models. Intensive or Kadai mode is there in all dishwashers available in India these days. If you want shorter cycle times, Bosch and Voltas dishwashers have the shortest cycle times for the normal mode, about 90 minutes. Cycle times vary from 30 minutes for quick washes to 180 minutes for eco cycles. The Faber dishwasher that I use has a regular wash programs of 150 minutes and intensive, which is almost 180 minutes. All dishwashers have an inbuilt water softener for better cleaning efficiency. But it is always better to use an external water softener anyway for your appliances like dishwashers and washing machines if you have hard water in your area. Now, dishwashers use much lower water than hand washing, in general less than 10 liters per cycle, and electricity consumption is about 1 kilowatt hour per cycle. higher electricity is consumed if steam wash and steam dry is used by the dishwasher. Now let's talk about warranty and service satisfaction. Warranty in general is 2 years, with most brands giving additional warranty against rusting of the tub, not of the tines, with IFB giving 8 years warranty on the spare parts availability. Many of you have also mentioned about the dishwasher tines getting rusted. More often than not, this is due to usage. Vessels often cut off the tine cap. You can get alternate racks from your service center, or you can get caps which are available online to cover these tines. Now, after going over thousands of reviews for dishwashers of the brands that I have reviewed, IFB, Bosch and LG have the best service network and responsive service centers for dishwashers, followed by Faber and Voltas. Electrolux, Elica, Media and others have limited service coverage, delayed responses and difficulty in scheduling installations or repairs. I have personally used a Faber service for minor repairs recently and it has been very good in my location. But like I always say, service always depends on the area you live in and their overall service network. Now let's get to my recommendations. Dishwashers vary from under 20,000 for a tabletop dishwasher to over 60,000 for a full-size 16-place setting dishwasher with smart capabilities. At the risk of sounding like a broken record, it's always better to go for a full-size dishwasher, 12-place settings and above, if you have the space and the budget for it, as we do tend to use quite a few vessels for cooking in the Indian kitchen, and having a full-size dishwasher will help us reduce the number of times that we load the dishwasher. Now, models of dishwashers do not change as frequently as other large appliances like washing machines. So you will see many models in the market which are a few years older. So with that, let's start with my recommendations, starting with the 14-place setting dishwashers, which is the most common size in India. Firstly, the Bosch Series 4 and the Series 6 14-place setting dishwasher, which surprisingly, at the time of making this video, are both available at a similar price. The Series 6 adds the Home Connect or smart features to the Bosch dishwasher to help control it remotely and to manage the dishwasher remotely. Both of these dishwashers do have an extra cutlery rack to save space in the main racks for more vessels. Users of Bosch dishwashers are overall happy with the ability to stack or sometimes even overload the dishwasher with satisfactory results. Next, at a slightly lower budget, is the IFB Neptune FX14 14-place setting dishwasher. This does not have an extra cutlery rack, but it does claim to hold up to 92 pieces of vessels in one go. It also has a 360-degree unique spray arm that helps to reach vessels in all corners of the dishwasher. IFB also has 8 years support for the spare parts to ensure availability of the spares. If you are on a budget, then the Faber 14-place setting dishwasher is ideal for you. It has a third cutlery rack, typically only found in premium models, to help free up space from the cutlery holder. It comes in two colors, the silver and the black. And given its budget, the UI is simpler than other premium models. Overall, value on a budget. Service is, however, a sore point. So you may want to check serviceability in your area before ordering. Now, for larger families, or if you would like to load the dishwasher less frequently, then the 15 or 16-place setting dishwasher that can accommodate more vessels is ideal for you. My first recommendation here is the IFB Neptune VX 15-place setting dishwasher, or its larger size variant, the VX 16. These have the IFB Deep Clean technology, include the 360-degree spray arm, adjustable racks and a third cutlery rack. They come with a 2-year warranty on the product and 8 years on the spare part support. Overall, great value. Next is the Bosch Series 6 15-place setting dishwasher. This also has an extra cutlery rack and has adjustable racks for flexibility in loading large vessels. This size can definitely future-proof your dishwasher purchase. And lastly, the Electrolux Ultimate Care 700 15-place setting dishwasher. This has a unique satellite clean spray arm, which is a double rotating arm that changes the spray angle to reach every corner of the dishwasher. It also has the auto door opening technology, which helps to dry even plastics quite well. Service is, however, just okay. It is better in metros compared to the other cities. If you have the space but are limited on budget and want a full-size dishwasher, a 12 or 13-place setting dishwasher is the way to go. If you need a Bosch but are on a budget, then the Bosch Series 2 13-place setting dishwasher is the right choice for you. This budget Bosch dishwasher has smart features to control and monitor the dishwasher remotely and also has an Eco Silence Drive motor for silent operation. Although dishwashers generally don't make too much noise anyway. The fixed tines or spikes at the bottom does make loading large cookers quite difficult, but generally Bosch dishwashers are quite fuss-free as highlighted by most users. Next is the Electrolux Ultimate Care 300 13 place setting dishwasher. Internationally, Electrolux is a preferred brand. In India, Service Network still lags established players like Bosch. This dishwasher also has an auto door opening to let airflow in, so plastics dry better. It does not have an intensive kadai program, but general feedback on the product for Indian vessels has been good. Next is the Bosch Series 6 13 place setting dishwasher. This has an intensive kadai mode especially tuned for Indian greasy vessels, which can remove even burnt milk and tea stains with ease. It also has a better rack adjustability. This pricing is for the older Series 6 model. The newer Series 6 models are almost 10,000 higher and come with Wi-Fi. Next is the Siemens IQ 500 13 place setting dishwasher. This is very similar to the Bosch Series 6 dishwasher. It has a vario speed setting which can bring down the wash speed by almost 50%. And lastly, if you're on a budget, then the Faber 12 place setting dishwasher is right for you. This is suitable for families of up to 3 people. Faber gives a 2-year warranty with 10 years against tub rusting and includes all essential capabilities that you would need in a dishwasher. Do note that the cycle does not start where it stopped on a power fluctuation, but rather starts at the beginning of the current step, not at the 0th minute. So, if you have frequent power fluctuations, it is always better to go with the other recommendations that I had. In the tabletop 8 place setting dishwashers, I have 2 recommendations for you and both have fairly standard features. First is the Voltas Beko 8 place setting dishwasher. It easily fits on a kitchen countertop. It is specialized for Indian vessels as well. But like I've said before, it is quite small for large cookers or kadais. So if you have the space, go for at least a 12 place setting dishwasher. Next is the Faber 8 place setting dishwasher, which stands out with its adjustable upper rack, allowing slightly taller vessels in the bottom compartment. Rest of the capabilities are very similar to the Voltas one recommended. Both of these keep going in and out of stock, so you may need to set an alert to know when these are available. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.